It works, finally. Welcome back to episode 3. From this point on, we're going to start looking at sorting out our oxygen production. So let's just get straight back into it. Okay, I've decided how I think we should do this to start with. So, thinking this is going to be my ground level here for going extended out. So, what I think I should do is, first of all, if I like using mesh tiles to stop anything congregating underneath in the don't like anything congregating where it can upset the dupes. So because we've got a lot of polluted water here and it's likely to drop down and melt, etc., until I'm able to remove it, I would rather just have a way of allowing it to seep through so that it doesn't actually, so the mutes can actually walk over it without getting upset, etc. So what I'm going to do is just, first of all, I'm going to increase the priority of this slot. I'm going to also dig out this as well, so they should get them going. Spotted I haven't got any power going over here, so obviously this is only a single battery over here. So what I'm going to do is shift helps. Just go across. Because we're going to have we're going to need some power to actually run everything this side. Yeah, run out of copper ore. Okay, so I'm going to have to go and dig a bit more. Go for that's there. I can't reach that. So I'll tell you what, if I dig out that there, so let's take that out. Get some of that. Possibly. There, let's cancel that one. That's a little too far over, so let's just do that. Oop, hang on, suffocation. Ow, blast. Deconstruct. And come on. That was close. Right, okay. Suffocate. Who's suffocating? Get out of there, you stupid. Right, prioritize. Is that prioritized? Dig out that there. I did actually see some iron down here, didn't I? So this is all iron ore, so dig out more here. That's iron. So if I was to set this to 7, if I take out that section there, should be able to reach across. You know what? Yeah, they can. So they can do all that. Cancel that one. So they can jump on here and start attacking this lot here. Coal. Right, okay. So they should be able to. Yeah, okay. We've got a decent quantity now. Okay, so we really could do with having some clothes, but this will need plants over here. If I open that up, then I'm going to have problems straight away with oxygen. So until I get this sorted, I don't really want to cause myself some problems. So let's just this lot removed. I'll build it in this section here. So cool, a few more. Perfect. I think what I will do is try and design it to start with. So we've got granite down the bottom here, so I want to use that as the basis for the weezeworts to be able to grow on. So I'm going to use that as a section where I want them to grow, and they're going to be sort of height. So I want wolframide. What does wolframide do? I can't remember. That's just I'm not really that fussed actually. I'm going to stick with that, and I'm going to do so. That's going to be my base. Just put that to give me the ground in. Use gas permeable tiles. So 1, 2, 4. So if I have, I think I'm going to have 2 electrolyzers. So let's just move those to the edge. Put a ladder down so they've got somewhere to come in. And again, side, let's just try and keep it symmetrical. Okay, so we can have our 2 electrolyzers on there, so let's just put those in. The right thing. So we can chuck 1 there and 1 there. Then I think we'll have 4. Let's just sort out the water piping for this first. So liquid piping. Worried about that, so let's just have that into there. Let's just keep things as I can't do that because that will remove that, so let's cancel. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I'm going to do that. It'll take more time for them to do this, but I think I'll be happier in the long run if they have, if it looks right. So we can go there. Again, I'm going to just put those down here so they can dig out, and anything that they are standing on will not be affected, or won't affect them, should I say. So there's our base. Dig that out. So water again. Water pipes are up to here. Let's take those all the way up. Hang on. Let me think about this. I need to reduce the pressure so it doesn't just pump all the water in. So it's fine going full pressure here. So maybe what I need to do is cancel the liquid pipes here. Okay. And then have a liquid valve. Rotate that around. Here. And then we have that liquid pipe across, down, like so. So at least that way we have it's been reduced at this point for those 2 electrolyzers, and that's all we need there. So for power, we're going to need some heavy duty power. You know what, I'm going to put gas permeable tires all the way along actually, because I don't like seeing the don't like seeing the cancel wires. No, deconstruct you. No one want to work. Right, cancel the wires. And then we're going to put those gas permeable tiles in. And again there. So that'll be rather aesthetically pleasing. And because we've got our pipe work there, 1, 2, 3, our level into there. Now, this is going to be the fun bit, because I want to have um, 4 pumps running. Oh, perfect then in that case, actually. So we have got that section there. That'll do nicely. So we're going to want recognized airlocks again on the faces that we want them to be able to go in and out quickly if they're going through. And that's going to be insulated, because what I want to do eventually is to have this totally sealed off. So literally you'll have Weezewort seeds down here cooling these devices, this lot just pumping out constantly into the base. So that's the plan. So, but they can access all the way around there, go around there, that's fine. Let's have a think. Let's leave that for now. And we'll get them to start by prioritizing the top section along with the pipe work. Welcome back. We've managed to finish building this section off, along with removing a lot of the polluted ice and granite, etc. that's in this area. I'm beginning to have a bit of a problem here with water, polluted water. I'm not sure where exactly it's coming from, because this area is closed off. There's nothing there. It's sealed, but it's still appearing out of nowhere. So I'm just closing this top section off. So that I can then see if I can see where it's coming from. These electrolyzers are plumbed into here, and the water is charged, ready to go. I've connected the power to this single battery over here, so at the moment everything is only running off that single battery, which is not a great deal, but I haven't got this finished here. So what we're going to look now to do is just to finish off this piping, so that we can actually start having our base functioning properly, so we can actually move on up. So we're going to deconstruct that tile actually, and we're going to build a ladder all the way to the top. Okay, that will release that chlorine, but we will live with that. So that will allow us, let's go back to our plumbing. So we have got both going up here, so oxygen should be going down that route, and it's been disconnected there, so that needs to be joined. No, we want mesh. Then we go back to the plumbing, gas piping, so that's done there. So we just need, oh hang on. Right, so alright, okay, so yes, it's going that way. And then that one is going that way as well. So we just need that to just join there. So that has hydrogen across, up, down, and across. So we've got a single pipe of hydrogen here. I can go back into the wall. Think about this. If I keep it on the same level, so cancel those two. And if we say, right, okay, we'll build our hydrogen generator over here. So if we've got our mesh tiles, we're going to do again. Nope, up one. Because I want no water or nothing to come through on it. So as a hydrogen generator there, and we'll pop another battery on this system here. Not the ideal places at the moment, so I will be changing that later on, but just to get things running, and we are then able to ensure that the base is actually receiving oxygen, then we can reprioritize everything. Once this is all up and running properly, if we actually also put a couple of generators here, because it'll be quite cool out here. We can put some art. Around this, so these guys are going to be out here. We'll also put a, once we've closed this off, because the only way, actually that's a point, we will want to, I do, once it's closed off, if I cancel the build order, and then put ladder up here so they can get up there, and then we just go for mesh tiles there for the time being. Dig out that lot. Okay, so we can then have our power onto this circuit, and we can disconnect this side. So in theory, we just need them to get up and do it. So where we're at, we're on 9. So let's just do that to 9. They can come and work at it at their own pace. Obviously, this is a priority to me. Therefore, it's got to be a priority to them. Right, so we'll see you back in a moment once that's done. Back into this section here. We have got our electrolyzers working, but they're saying it's max pressure for some strange reason, and these pumps are not working. So at the moment we've got 200 grams, 200 grams, and we've got hardly anything up here. Let me just deconstruct some of these bits to get some more. Right, okay, so what we got up here? 14. So that shouldn't be happening. we should be getting these pumps to automatically draw up the oxygen out of here. So have I got something wrong? Let's have a look. So you spotted it. Got my pumps the wrong way round. Deconstruct. Oh my goodness me, no wonder nothing's working. They can't do anything. Right, okay, so now deconstruct. Oh dear me. Why aren't you deconstructing? Deconstruct all. Come on. All. Let's go off that view. Right, deconstruct all. Right. There had to be a reason for it. So while they're doing that, right, let's just pause that. Put in our pumps the correct way. Oh, right. In. So we're going to be again taking our gas that way, as in our what's going on there? Yeah, let's go that way. Okay. Set all this to priority 9. Cancel deconstruct. Where's our pipe power? Have we got power? No, we haven't. Let's get power in. That's priority 9 as well. So make it move. Because this base is looking horrendous at the moment. Come on. Yes, there we go. So you can filter hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. What's wrong with you? No gas input. You've got no gas input. Why have you got no gas input? Okay, let's okay, so it's going in. I've got no output. That would probably help. Perfect. Right. We should start seeing an improved flow if I actually had everything hooked up. So that's good. Okay, our water's fine. And our oxygen's looking good. It'll take a while for it to fully circulate. However, We are looking relatively healthily. Perfect. That was frustrating. Trying to work out what I'd done wrong there. Thinking that these gas permeable tiles had actually preventing the circulation of oxygen around these pumps, and it just did not make sense, and that's why I put the filters on the wrong way around. Never a good thing. Okay, so we've got a good reserve there. Let's just reduce these guys on these tread wheels. 7. We should be able to produce our own continuous power through a hydrogen. So look at the gas again. That's fine. Power grid. Okay, so we're losing power. Okay, let's just put some sandstone in there as well, so they can... Okay, so there's our oxygen. That is our gas filtration system working. Okay, so I hope that you found something of useful there, if only just to laugh at me for putting those gas filters the wrong way around. But now we should start seeing a vast improvement to the oxygen levels in here. So we are, yeah, we're slowly getting there. Until next time, that's Murphy out.